Whenever I want to create a video on a certain topic, I find that many people have already done it when I search online. This makes me feel like I'm just reinventing the wheel, with nothing new to offer. In this era of information overload and rampant fake news, curating information has become vital. Therefore, I decided to create this YouTube featured videos playlist. Unlike typical recommendation systems that only suggest videos you might be interested in, I manually select videos that are genuinely useful to you. In this video, I will recommend 3 high-quality videos on how to quickly learn Midjourney. I hope these videos will help you quickly master this skill. Video 1, Video Description. This is a tutorial video produced by Productive Dude, focusing on the AI drawing software Midjourney. Title, Midjourney Tutorial, Full Beginner's Guide. URL, you can click the link in the description below the video to watch recommendation. This video is a detailed guide that starts with how to use Discord and walks you through various Midjourney commands from basic to advanced, with real-time demonstrations. It's perfect for beginners. The host explains everything clearly, and the subtitles are spot on. The video is over an hour long, so if you're short on time, you might want to watch it in segments. Suitable for beginners who want to quickly learn Midjourney. Benefits of watching. For beginners, this video helps you quickly learn the basic commands and operations of Midjourney. It mainly introduces version 5, making it a valuable resource for those who want to understand or review version 5, enhancing your comprehension of it. Video 2. Video Description. This is a tutorial video produced by Skills Factory, focusing on the AI drawing software Midjourney. Title, Midjourney AI, Tutorial for Beginners in 12 minutes. URL, you can click the link in the description below the video to watch. Recommendation. This short video starts with an introduction to the Discord server and gradually explains various Midjourney commands from basic to advanced levels such as subscription plans and different prompts. It includes practical demonstrations, making it very suitable for beginners who don't have much free time but want to quickly get started. Suitable for beginners who want to quickly learn Midjourney. Benefits of watching. For beginners, this video helps you quickly learn the basic commands and operations of Midjourney. Only takes 12 minutes. Video 3. Video Description. This is a tutorial video produced by Future Tech Pilot, focusing on Midjourney V6. Title, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Midjourney in 2024. URL, you can click the link in the description below the video to watch. Recommendation. The thumbnail and title of this video are very attractive, introducing the differences between various versions of Midjourney. The host speaks fluently and provides a detailed introduction to the new features of Midjourney V6. The video also introduces the web version of Midjourney and future update strategies, offering a comprehensive tutorial from basic to advanced levels. With detailed practical demonstrations, viewers can easily grasp various techniques. Overall, this is a very well-produced and content-rich video. Both the visual effects and practicality are very professional, making it highly suitable for both beginners and advanced users to watch. Suitable for beginners and advanced users of Midjourney. Benefits of watching. For beginners, this video helps you quickly learn the basic commands and operations of Midjourney. It mainly introduces version 6, making it a valuable resource for those who want to understand or review version 6, enhancing your comprehension of it.